guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about creating a logo for your new YouTube channel. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at Canva. Now, I don't normally do Canva tutorials because I'm really not all that great with Canva, but I really do need to be able to get a logo pretty quickly, and I figure this will be definitely the easiest way of going. So I'm just going to go here because I know you can get free downloads and things like that, even though I'm a paid member. I know some of you are not, and that's okay. You can do this as well. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be looking at YouTube channel art. Wait for that to wake up. Hit enter. There we are. Now what we can do is we're going to go down and have a look down here and have a look at the different kinds of things that might be on offer here. And you can have a look at this. This looks looking like it might be a good one. So let's just click on that one there. It may well be a thumbnail, so let's go back over here, get rid of that one for 1 second. Let's make this one logos. I'm going to hit that. There we are. So maybe we can do cooking logo. Hit enter. As I said, I'm not an expert at this. Whoops. That was an accident. Okay. Go enter. Alright, now this is looking better. Here we go. So we can have a look at this. I like this one. So it looks like, apart from the carrot, it's mostly keto friendly. So let's have a click on that one. For those of you who weren't watching my last video, I announced that I'm going to be setting up a new YouTube channel, and it is about keto cooking. So that's what we're doing. So you can have a look at this. This is looking pretty good. I like that. So we can change the color easily. So we just go click on that and choose a color. I'm going to go over here. Maybe choose a bright orange color like I ordinarily do. See if we can change the color of the black to perhaps white. So as it goes inside the bowl, we can change the color of the bowl if we wish to. Okay, so let's go here. Keto capers. Now today I was answering someone's comment, and by the way, I answer all my comments down below. I was answering it in one of the comments, and this one particular person said, "Oh, I love it, keto capers," and it's in the way she spelled it was K-E-T-O and then K-A-P-E-R-S, and I went, brainstorm. I thought that's awesome. So what I'm going to do is I've actually secured the Gmail account name for that, and I'm going to be calling it Keto Capers with K. So that sounds like a great idea. So that's what we're doing. So we click off there. In here I'm going to be typing up, might make that a little bit bigger. Come join me for dinner tonight. Because I plan on making these videos every single day for the keto caper, so that will definitely be something that I want to put into my channel. Come join me for dinner tonight. And maybe we can change the color again. I don't necessarily like that color. Let's choose a different color. Let's go Oh, we changed the bold color to a different color. No, we changed that to red. No, we changed it to black. Or we can change that any color we like. I think blue is good. Or we can go back to white. I think blue would be good. Yeah, I'm not sure. I wonder if there's a way I can reposition that. I've never tried this before. With the white fruit, I can maybe look at changing position of that. Go to position. Nope, that'll do. Okay, so I'll just leave it at that. So blue and orange look okay together. I will muck around with this a little bit later. I will definitely improve on this, because I'm not all that happy with that. Oh, hang on. Maybe I can go this way. No, I'll go back the other way. I definitely want to change the font though, because the font is not, I'm not happy with the font. So I might change that to a low, yeah, that's good. And we'll shrink that down. And then we'll try adding another bit of text to it. So we'll just add another heading text. Take that down here. What size is that font? 30? Okay, so let's try and make that font 30 as well. There we are. Pull that one capers. And we can maybe centralize that and make that look a bit nicer. Yeah. Shrink that down just a little bit more. And bring that in a bit closer, that'll do. Think we might have it. And bring it a little bit closer. Okay. Hoping that will be okay. It looks alright. Now come join me for dinner tonight. Drag that across to there. Sorry about mucking around with this so much. It's just I'm trying to get it right because I do want to make it for my actual channel. So I don't want it looking crappy. There we go. Oh, that's looking better. And maybe I can, oh no, take that across to the edge. Take that across to the edge. And this way, I can centralize it. That works okay. Now I can see what's central and what's not. Okay, that looks like it might be central just there. Yep, I think I've got that as close to center as I can get it. That'll do. Okay, that's looking pretty good. I'm happy with that. Then all we need to do really now is to download it. Now we can pick and choose. Now I might also see if I can add a chef's hat in this. Let's see if they have that option here. Okay, so if they don't, I might have to download an image of a chef's hat. So let's have a look here. Go to Elements. We go Chef Hat. And hit Enter. Get rid of cap locks. Okay, it's looking alright. Okay. So maybe we can go here. Now this is a pro one, but you may not want to go the pro, you might want to go free. In which case, you can say Chef Hat Free. And hit enter and see what comes up. There may be some free ones, otherwise, I'm just going to go Chef Hat and get rid of that. Now remembering I am already on the pro version, so it won't matter too much. I'll just use this one here. Perhaps I'll put it, shrink it down, and put it on the actual bowl. We'll put it up here on the, yeah, that looks alright. One of these, yeah, maybe there, or perhaps over here. That looks fine. There we go. And we can do that if we wish to, and we can pop it in there, and that looks fine. So now that we have that, we can, or I can even get rid of that altogether and just put this one in the center. So just muck around with it till you're actually happy with it. I want to just keep it simple. I don't want to go too crazy with it. And there we have it, Keto Capers. I'm actually happier with that, with just a chef hat, because it's a lot less, you're going to get in a lot less trouble. If you have carrots in there, people are going to go, carrots aren't keto. Well, that's true. That's very, very true. And you don't want to be putting something that's not keto in your logo, because it'll just make it look crappy. So I think I'm happy with that. And I might change the color of the font to perhaps a dark blue font or something, and see how we go with that. That's alright, that's nice. I might also change the color of that, maybe make it red or something. No, I think black will be fine with that. That'll do. That's good. And we don't want to have that overpowering everything, so I might also change the font of that to make it look a little bit less intrusive. There we are. Come join me for dinner tonight. That's good. I might shrink that down just a little bit. There we have it. Okay, cool. I'm really happy with that. So let's now download that, and we shall make that part of our logo. Let's download that. All we have to do is just click download, and you can download it anywhere you want. So that's a beautiful part about this. I'm going to keep that in my Keto Capers folder. Now I need to change the name of that because I've just changed the name of my products. So I'm just going to keep it there. So as you can see, I've got multiple ideas for my logos just there, and that will do quite nicely. Alright guys, now tomorrow night I have a bit of a bonus for you, because I have managed to get hold of the Keto Capers, spelled with a K, email address. We can start the channel from scratch as of tomorrow. Now thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and bye for now.